Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. You have probably forgot about your Amazon password and you can't sign in or maybe log in, so you are locked out of your account or don't know what to do. Don't really worry, since resetting your Amazon password is quick and safe. You can do it on your phone, PC in just a few minutes. So in today's small tutorial, I will walk you through it step by step. We will see on how to actually reset your Amazon password fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way to the Amazon.com, or you can use the Amazon app, it's totally fine. So as for now, we're gonna go through the Amazon.com, then we're gonna go try to log in or sign in. You will be seeing a forgot password option. So we're gonna go and tap forgot my password. It's time now to enter your email or phone number linked to your account. Then verify using the code Amazon sends you to create a new password and confirm it. Well, let's say you are already logged in, but you totally forgot about your account. You can go all the way to account here, then see this option. Go all the way to login in security, then here it is. Now it's time to tap on forgot my password. Tap the email next, then they're gonna send you the code that you're gonna use to create a new password and confirm it. You should use a strong password with letters, numbers, and even symbols. Don't reuse any old Amazon passwords. If you don't get the code, check the spam or request a new one for basically 30 seconds or something like this. And that's it, your Amazon password is reset and you are back in. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.